Hello, people in my computer, the internet, the void, the vast void that I speak to. This is Halfstack. I want to talk about foldables, more folding stuff, the
Yes.
future. So,
Yes.
HP just put out
Yeah.
a new foldable laptop
Okay.
product
Yeah.
to like a bunch of tech tubers.
Right. Right. Right.
And they just went over it. I don't think it's released yet, but I'm guessing it's releasing soon.
Yeah.
Basically, it's just
Probably.
another foldable device. One foldable screen, a gigantic 17-inch screen,
Yeah.
and it's one of those foldable laptops where you can detach the keyboard.
Right.
I think
Right.
we talked about Lenovo doing this. I think we
Yep.
also talked about
I think there's like
Asus.
quite a few companies doing it actually.
I think there's only two others.
Oh. Yeah.
But yeah, HP has thrown their hat in the ring.
Mm-hmm.
They're doing their own version of it, and
Mm-hmm.
I just want to get your thoughts on it about it. Um,
Well, for my first thing is, have you seen
yeah.
the price on this thing?
I was gonna ask you the pricing for Lost, but since we both did the same story, but yeah, the
Yes.
pricing. But do you know the pricing of the other ones? That's the question.
Yeah, they're significantly cheaper, like the Asus one and the Lenovo ones.
So the Nova one, I don't think ever released. So I think that's just a
Um,
question mark.
I think there's a Lenovo Yoga Book
Oh,
9.
that one's like oh that one the two
Oh,
screen
that's
one.
like
That's kind of
super
different.
old. Yeah.
Which product are you talking about actually? What's the Lenovo?
Lenovo Yoga Book 9i.
Yeah, but what does it do? Explain to me. Isn't that just two
It's a
screens?
foldable. It's a
No, it's two
foldable. Yeah,
screens.
it's kind of like I guess like two screens, but
Yeah, it's not. That's not a foldable. That's not what I'm talking about. The Lenovo had another one that's just like this, like a foldable.
mm-hmm,
I believe it's called the X1 Fold or something. I believe we talked
mm-hmm.
about it, but it's basically it's a 16-inch screen,
Yeah,
16-ish,
yeah.
and I don't. They said they'll release it in 2022, but I don't think they ever released it. So
No,
we don't
they
really,
never released that one.
so we don't really have a price on that. But Asus also had a foldable 17-inch screen.
Yeah,
That one came at 3,500.
yeah.
So HP, this one is a whole 5 Gs. God damn. 5 Gs for
5 grand.
this? I don't think so. I just want to talk about the
5
differences,
grand.
but I don't think
Yeah.
HP did anything that that justifies the extra 1.5K here.
Well, okay,
But
okay. Well. They do have a huge battery, so maybe that huge battery justifies it. I think it's a lot more than the other foldables.
oh really? I didn't look at the specific battery. But
Yeah.
one of another difference I see is their keyboard is kept within the screen, like within the fold. What do you think about that?
Right, right. But you can detach the keyboard, right, if you want to.
You can what?
Detach the keyboard if you want to. No?
Yeah, yeah. But when you like store it, it's stored within the fold.
Yeah.
I think that's a
That's
must.
that's so much nicer, but like I think that adds to the thickness, right?
I don't care about the thickness if it's folded like that. To be honest,
You don't
I think it's
care
okay.
about the
I think it's okay.
thickness
The
if it's
thickness.
folded like that. Isn't that the whole point of a foldable is like having a thinner
No, I think it's having a
laptop?
smaller. I think it's smaller footprint, not thinner. I don't care about
Oh,
thickness.
okay. You don't care
Smaller
about thickness at
footprint.
all.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay,
that was
okay.
gonna
I
be
guess in that case, it's okay. Well, compared to the other ones, where so like the other ones we saw, like the
Lenovo one. They
uh
the keyboard was like on the outside. You had to store it on
yeah,
the
and there
outside.
was no way to put it like inside. You gotta like have a carrying case for it, right? And I think the same thing with the Asus one, right? It was that the same
I
thing for the Asus one?
I just looked at it yesterday, but I completely forget. I don't remember if the Asus one was inside or not. But I know the Lenovo one
Um,
was you need to store it on the
yeah.
outside.
Yeah. So
So
I
the
guess that's
Asus one,
actually pretty nice. That's pretty nice compared to like, yeah, that's definitely a must. The ability to store it or like have it be like attached to the back. No.
hmm well the Lenovo one I think magnetically attached to the back,
Hmm.
but
Okay.
it's still I don't know. I feel like you should have like less steps between using your computer, basically. And
Yeah.
I think just having it
Yeah.
inside and
Absolutely.
when you open it, it's just ready.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That's a
So
good,
that's
nice
like,
touch.
yeah, so that's one difference. And then another difference I want to compare it to is for the Lenovo one. Do you remember the external stand you have to have with you? Like there's
Yeah,
like this
yeah, yeah. To
foldable,
be in that
yeah,
like weird position. Yeah.
yeah. But
Yeah.
this one, the stand is built in.
Yeah, it can
So
stand like but only in the folding position. Oh, right, right. It has that flap as well, right?
yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty nice actually.
I also think that's
Um
like also a must. I don't think you can have a. I don't like Lenovo's approach where you have like
like
this external flippy
added
thing.
on stand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
the
definitely.
downside is for this HP one, you can only have it in like landscape mode for the
For the
for
stand.
yeah the
But I
stand
mean
because it
if
only does one
you
way.
want it in like portrait mode, I guess you fold it, right?
But you won't have the you can't have the full screen.
Oh, right, right. You want like, but you really want that full vertical 17 inches of a screen
Yeah,
on the laptop?
I think that'll look cool. Yeah, if you're like reading a document, like a
Yeah.
just a Word doc, and you have
Okay, that's
all
true.
text on
That's
the
true.
screen. Yeah, I think
Yeah,
that's
that's
cool.
true. That's true. That might be pretty nice. But how would you create like a stand
Yeah,
that
that's the
can
trick.
work both ways?
Yeah, exactly. That's the issue. I have this mental image of how I do it in my mind. It would be hard to explain through video though, so I'm not gonna do it.
Okay, okay. You
Um,
gotta draw a diagram for me.
yeah, I'll mock it up. Um,
Yeah.
but yeah,
You have
so
a
what do
proof of
you?
concept for me.
Yeah, so looking at this, looking at these foldable devices, Asus,
Yeah.
Lenovo,
Yeah.
HP now.
Yeah.
What do you think is missing here? Would be my question to you.
I think it being thinner. I think that's really what it is. Like right now, I still think this one looks kind of ugly.
Really, you
Right?
think
If you
this
look at,
looks ugly?
does it
I
look
think it looks
nice to
fine.
you?
I think it looks fine.
Okay, okay. So I guess what do you think is a very nice laptop?
I like it when it's uniform, like when it's symmetrical. Sorry.
Yeah, but okay. So in terms of laptops, right now without foldable, what do you think is a very nice looking laptop?
Yeah, when it's symmetrical. Like, do you know when the MacBook?
Like a laptop. Give me an example of a laptop that's out right now. Not like
Oh, an example of a laptop?
yeah.
Like, I think the MacBook looks pretty good. I think the
Okay, so
Razors look pretty
compared to
good.
the MacBook, would you
Yeah.
buy this?
Just, what do you mean? Like, in terms of look, you
Yeah,
mean?
if like money wasn't a factor, would you get this?
Well, they're like completely different like products though. Like,
Okay.
this doesn't have the power a MacBook has, I think.
It's a
So
12th
if
gen
you're
though,
if you're
i7,
saying
right?
all else equal,
Yeah. Let's say all else is equal, right?
yeah,
Would you get this?
yeah, all else equal, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But this is
Okay.
missing a lot of
So
stuff. That's why I'm asking you. Like, what do you think? What's missing here?
yeah, no, no. The only difference is let's say just the look and the look and the folding feature is the difference. You'd take this.
Just the look and the folding feature. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I
So
would
for
take this
me,
over a MacBook, yeah.
I think folding is a bit of a gimmick. I don't
Wow.
ever see me using folding, right?
Mhm.
Like my laptop itself is like super tiny, right? So I don't see the advantage of folding. Like when I'm like home, I'm gonna dock my laptop, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get a bigger screen than 17 inches, anyways. So
Yeah,
I
so
just don't
you're
see the benefit.
so you wouldn't no, but you it's not a folding device though. You wouldn't get a bigger laptop in general. You would never get
Yeah, I don't think I would get like a 17-inch laptop.
yeah. So this is more for people who want a bigger screen, I guess.
I guess, yeah. Okay. Okay. And also that 5K in price probably doesn't help, right?
Yeah. So wait, what was your improvement there? You just don't like the product at all.
Yeah, I
Is
just
what
don't
I
like the
heard.
product. Yeah.
Okay. I think
Yeah.
the only so the things that are missing for me here,
Yeah.
I don't care about thickness. So I want more ports.
Okay.
I don't like the just like I think there's only like USB-Cs. Like I think
Yeah,
every single
there's
product that does this, they only include like one or two USB-Cs.
Yeah, this one seems like it only includes one USB-C. That's it.
Yeah. So I would want more ports and a better.
Yeah.
Then the next thing would be like probably a better kickstand.
Yeah. Okay, so you're saying if there's a folding device just like this,
Yeah.
with like, let's say 3 or like 4 USB-C. So what kind of ports do you need? Like one
Well, no, I want
USB-C on each side.
I want
like a full
two regular
USB.
USB-A's, two
Yeah.
USB-Cs, an HDMI,
HDMI. You want an
and
HDMI?
an SD card. Yeah, just give me all the ports. I want all.
I don't
the
think you
ports.
get an HDMI on a folding device, but okay.
Yeah,
you can
exactly.
dream.
That's
You
my
can
dream.
dream.
Yeah.
And then you would get this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not super hyped about this.
But yeah, like
Gonna have to see where it goes.
$5,000.
Yeah, that's price.
I think that's too much because I don't think HP did anything too revolutionary compared
So
to.
I
everyone else.
was reading about this, and they were asking like how they came up with this $5,000, and they were saying
Yeah.
they really cared about the experience and not
What
the
does that even mean?
price.
What does that even mean?
You know, that's like marketing BS.
Yeah. So I don't know what that means. I'm not paying $5,000